Hello friends. Now, like after exporting our design, the reality is in After Effects, like after exporting, I'm using After Effects 2020. So after exporting our design, if we try to play it using media player, it refuses to play. As you see, it is saying this Windows Media Player cannot play the file. The player might not support the file type or might not support the codec that was used to compress the file. So it means Windows cannot play it. I would have maybe tried it with Adobe. I mean not Adobe, with VLC. Let us try to use this film. Let us see. Also this one cannot play it. So now the other option is we get it to Premiere Pro or After Effects. So let us first get it to Premiere Pro. When we drag and drop it into Premiere Pro, the moment we double click on it, okay, so it pops up in this window. So if we move this that way, then we play it. So that is how our design basically looks like. Let me see if I hold this to that and pointing here. Yes. So let me play it again. So let us place it on the timeline, then we put it somewhere here. So we expand this because I want us to see it very well, then we'll play it. So it is beautiful, it is clear enough so anyone can see it. Our images are popping up. Are you seeing? But the issue is when you just play it, because remember it has no background. When you just play it, it does not display. So some of you may argue because it is already on a black whatever, and again, so maybe what we would do, let us try to put an image at the back. So for that image to complete, let us even use this. So if we put it at the back, we import it here, then we get it here and scale it. Okay, that is if we go here, then effects control, select it and scale it. So it has filled our screen, but remember we have to make sure that it is this layer at the top. Are you seeing that? So if we are playing, let's assume it is the video playing. So as someone is talking in the video, the lower part is showing our logo and the services that are basically offered, showing the different printers. Are you seeing that? So basically that is it. That is the thing that made us sweat all those hours. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is to see if at all I export it in Premiere Pro, it can do what? It can play. Let me see. That is my Premiere Pro. Then export media. Okay. Then when it comes to here, I have that. I change it to maybe high quality HD. So from high quality HD, okay, now I slope here video, songtrust, video to video settings. I tampered a little bit with these settings because the software, whenever I was exporting, it was telling me GCP whatever. So that is it. It requires me basically to first Google and see, but what I would remember is it here? So it would have been here. This. Let me first go to QuickTime and see. There's this one I'm seeing here. If I go down, okay, maybe later on I'll happen to make some research and share you that. So I'm seeing something here, render alpha channel only. Are you seeing that? So now if I happen to go back here and solve this solution, if I get, maybe let's assume in lumetric colors we have green, we can play around with green and blue. So this content has a little bit of blue. So let me see, if at all I apply green, would this person have it isn't for him? Let's see if I come here in, that is bars and tones, HD bars and tones. No, that is not what I wanted. Okay, let me first send him this. So if he complains, then maybe we happen to change, but I think it is okay and it is working. Thanks for watching.